Hey everyone, this is Everyday Tech Explained. Today we're diving into some surprising ways you might not be using your smart display, but definitely should be. We're about to unlock the full potential of your smart display, and trust me, once you see what these things can really do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So let's jump right in and explore these game-changing features. Alright, first up, let's talk about smart home control with your smart display. You can control all your compatible devices from one central hub. Imagine this. You walk into your living room, and with a simple voice command, the lights dim, the thermostat adjusts, and your favorite playlist starts streaming. No more digging through menus or fumbling with switches. Just pure, seamless control at your fingertips, or should I say, at the sound of your voice. Next up, let's talk about staying connected with friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining those precious connections can be challenging. Sure, you can make video calls on your phone or laptop, and that's great for quick chats or when you're on the go, but have you ever tried it on your smart display? It's a game changer, especially in the kitchen. The larger screen and better audio make a huge difference. Imagine this. You're whipping up some spaghetti, hands covered in sauce, and your mum calls. You don't have to stop what you're doing. Just tell your smart display to answer the call, and boom, you're chatting hands-free. No need to touch anything, keeping your kitchen mess-free. And because these displays are stationary, you get a wider field of view, perfect for group calls. Everyone fits in the frame, making it feel like you're all together. Now let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: food. Cooking can be a joy, but it can also be a challenge, especially when you're trying to juggle multiple tasks at once. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, we all need a little help in the kitchen sometimes, and that's perfectly okay. Even the best chefs rely on their tools and assistants to create culinary masterpieces. That's where your smart display comes in, transforming into your very own sous chef. It's like having an extra pair of hands and eyes guiding you through each step of the cooking process. Imagine this. You're trying a new recipe, and instead of constantly checking your phone or cookbook, you have step-by-step instructions right there on your smart display. No more flipping pages or scrolling through screens. You can even control the playback with your voice, so no more greasy fingerprints on your screen. Just say the command and your smart display will follow, making your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. It's like having a personal cooking instructor guiding you every step of the way. With your smart display, cooking becomes less of a chore and more of an adventure, allowing you to explore new recipes and techniques with confidence. Alright, let's be real. Sometimes you just want to kick back, relax, and get lost in your favorite shows, movies, or music. Whether it's a lazy Sunday afternoon or a cozy evening after work, your smart display is there to make it all happen. Well, guess what? Your smart display can handle that too. Think of it as your personal entertainment hub, ready to stream whatever you're in the mood for. From the latest blockbuster movies to classic TV shows, connect your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, or Apple Music, and even YouTube, and control everything with your voice. Just say the word, and your smart display will do the rest. Want to watch the latest episode of your favorite show? Just ask. Or maybe you're in the mood for some music to set the vibe. Just sit back, relax, and let your smart display bring the entertainment to you. It's like having a world of content at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about something a little more sentimental. Your smart display can become a modern-day photo album, showcasing your favorite memories in a beautiful and dynamic way. Connect your Google Photos, iCloud, or other photo storage accounts and watch as your smart display transforms into a digital photo frame. It's a fantastic way to relive those special memories and add a personal touch to your living space. In today's fast-paced world, staying informed is more important than ever, but who has time to read a newspaper or watch the evening news? Your smart display can help you stay up to date with the latest news and weather reports. Just ask your smart display for a news briefing and it'll provide you with a curated summary of the day's top headlines. Staying informed has never been easier or more convenient. Let's face it, life can get pretty hectic. Between work, family, and social obligations, it's easy to let things slip our minds. But don't worry, your smart display can act as your personal assistant, helping you manage your schedule and stay on top of everything. Connect your calendar and set reminders for appointments, deadlines, birthdays, or anything else you need to remember. It's like having a personal assistant reminding you about important events and keeping your life organized. Feeling a little uneasy about leaving your home unattended? Your smart display can also double as a security camera monitor. If you have compatible smart security cameras, you can view live feeds directly on your smart display. Check in on your pets, make sure everything is secure, or just keep an eye on things while you're out and about. It's an added layer of security and convenience, allowing you to monitor your home from anywhere. Looking for some fun and engaging activities for the whole family? Look no further than your smart display. It's not just for productivity and information. It can also be a source of entertainment with interactive games and quizzes. Challenge your family to a trivia night, test your knowledge with quizzes, or get your brain working with puzzles. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones and create lasting memories. Last but not least, let's not forget about the heart of your smart display, the built-in voice assistant. Whether it's Google Assistant or Alexa, this voice-activated helper is always ready to lend a hand. Need to set a timer, check the traffic, make a shopping list? Just ask your voice assistant. It's the ultimate inconvenience, allowing you to get things done hands-free just by using your voice. So there you have it, 10 ways to get the most out of your smart display. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. From controlling your smart home to staying connected with loved ones, your smart display is a versatile tool that can enhance your daily life in countless ways. Thanks for watching.